Hi, welcome to Blue Connections. My name's Bill McKay and today we're going to do some tech talk on the new L13 Yoga. Let's get it open and see what we've got. Brand new, straight out of Lenovo demo. Thanks guys. So, see what we've got here. Notice we've got plenty of recycled packaging here, so this is one of the cool features for the device. We'll dump that, but in here you've got your power adapter, USB-C 65 watt AC adapter, comes with the machine. Get that out. Just a standard USB-C connection, so that's really easy. Get a couple of booklets, we don't need those. Dump some of this. This is the new silver L13 Yoga. Ooh, it's shiny. There we go, look at that. Brand spanking new L13 Yoga. We'll run through some of the technical features for you. This is a really robust machine. It's built with glass reinforced polymer and a bit of aluminium there to keep it all strong. Super robust screen. Pick it up and carry it by the screen. It's a good, strong device. Some of the features, cool features, you've got a Think camera up the top here with a Think shutter, so that can turn off so no one can peep on you while you're working away. Also runs with a world-facing camera. This is one of the only devices in the fleet that has a world-facing camera, so if you want to take your videos while you're walking around, you can do that too. Spill-resistant keyboard, nice big touchpad there with plenty of space on that. Built-in biometrics, fingerprint reader. Some really cool port features. You've got USB-C, docking port, which is essentially another USB-C, USB 3 port, built-in headphone microphone jack, and around this side we've got Kensington lock, HDMI, USB 3, micro SD card slot, power button, and the old garage for a pen. So that hides in there. Unlike some of the competitor devices that don't have a garage, this locks away and it charges the pen while it's there. Really nice tactile keyboard. We've got dual pointing devices here. The built-in touch point there and the trackpad, good sized trackpad, 3-button mouse. What do I like about the Lenovo L13 Yoga? This product's rock solid. It's been around now in its probably 7th generation now for this product. Been around 7 years. They've sorted out all the hinge issues, all of that. It's strong, it's robust. The flexibility to use the device any way you like. If you want to go to a meeting and write notes, you can. If you want to use it as a conventional clamshell, you can. If you want to use it in tent mode and present, you can. If you're sitting on a plane and you want to watch a movie, you can. So there's so much flexibility with the device. If you need some help with the L13 Yoga or a little bit more advice, give us a call at Blue Connections. We'll be able to help you out. If you were after a demo or want to buy 10, that's all right, give us a call. That's it from me at Blue Connections. We'll see you next time with some tech talk.